Look closely. 3 emperors sit enthroned beneath a single canopy, crowned, jeweled, attended by their own princes. There is only one problem. These men never sat in the same room. Some were dead before the others were even born. So why paint them together? This is a composite portrait, a meeting staged not in life but on paper. Mughal painters gathered the great rulers of their house into one ideal court, drawing together generations separated by decades into a single jeweled scene. The canopy, the thrones, the parasols of gold, every detail says the same thing. This is not a family. This is a dynasty. In the Mughal world, power was inheritance made visible. These emperors traced their blood to Timur, the world conqueror, and beyond him, by legend, to Genghis Khan himself. To paint the rulers of the house enthroned together was to make a claim no rival could argue with, that the throne had passed unbroken from one rightful hand to the next. Now look at how the painter orders them. The senior ruler sits highest, at the center, on the tallest golden throne, raised above the rest. To his left and right, 2 more emperors are enthroned, a little lower, turned gently toward him. Below them stand 3 princes, hands folded in homage. In Mughal painting, this geometry is everything. Height is rank. Stillness is power. The higher and the more motionless the figure, the greater the man. And the dynasty behind the fantasy was real. It began in 1526 when Babur, a Central Asian prince, won the throne of Hindustan on the field of Panipat. From him descended the line the world would call the Great Mughals: Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb. 6 rulers across nearly 2 centuries who built one of the richest empires the world had ever seen. And none of this splendor was ordinary paint. The reds of the canopy, the deep blues of the robes, the burnished gold of the thrones, each was ground by hand from minerals and precious metal, then polished into the paper until it shone. A page like this was made to be turned in candlelight, the gold catching the flame. It was an heirloom of empire, meant to outlast the very men it portrayed. So this is not a record of something that happened. It is something better. It is a dynasty's portrait of itself, the way it wished to be remembered. Orderly, eternal. Every ruler in his rightful place beneath one sky. The empire is long gone. The assembly remains. We restored this folio from museum archives, its gold, its jeweled color, and offer it as a premium framed print or as fine art paper, each with a free story of the painting card and free global shipping. Find it in our restored Mughal collection at Aurah Living. Paintings with stories worth telling. An empire's family portrait of men who never met. Find it at aurahliving.com. The link is below. And if these stories belong on your wall as much as your screen, stay with us. There are more.